Stop worrying about AI taking your job in 2026. AI will not take your job, but the person that knows how to use it will. Let's get straight into it, y'all. Also, check out the Help Desk playlist, subscribe, and comment. So let's get straight into it, y'all. Everybody keeps talking about AI taking your jobs and replacing you and this and that. At the end of the day, with a lot of these jobs, AI cannot just replace it on its own. AI is more of a tool to help you than something to replace you. Okay? Number one, let's remember this. AI is not always right. You ever wonder when you go to google.com and you type in like a question and it even gives you an AI answer and a Google answer? And I'm about to show you that in real time. When you go to google.com, boom, AI mode is right there. And even besides just AI mode, I could type in when was, hopefully, I'm gonna just put DC formed. I don't know. So even if you type like when was DC formed, okay, like that has a legit answer. 1790, damn. But either way, sometimes when you ask Google questions, it'll give you an AI answer, and then it'll give you like the regular Google answer. And I'm mad I couldn't just like make that come up, but I'm about to. Hold on. All right, so for instance, right, if you type in on Google, why did Shoe City close? It's gonna give you the AI answer first, and then it's gonna give you like real direct links and things like that to actually get your information. So that's what I mean. Number one, AI is not always right. And some people are still using ChatGPT and Google Gemini just as regular basic chat Google searches. And you can do more than that. Like I just said, it's a tool. You can create images. Y'all seen people creating like pictures of them wearing fancy clothes with the fancy cars on the back. Or forget that, how about the Facebook AI birthday shoots, all types of crap. It is a tool. So you got stuff like that. You got people like me. I'm a creator. I use AI to create my thumbnails. I use AI to create PowerPoints. Just make sure you still do your fact check when you come in to like do PowerPoints and stuff. Like for example, I literally just did I just did a PowerPoint made by AI about AI. Yes, a PowerPoint on AI made by AI. And literally all I did was to go into I think I did both. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, whichever one you want to call it. I literally went in, typed in a prompt and it's usually better to be more detailed with these prompts so you can get better details on information depending on what you're doing and dealing with. For instance, I said, hey, create me a PowerPoint about this, include this, that, whatever I was told to do, right, for work. This was for work too. And it did just that. And I literally just copied and pasted. And it even gives you suggestions like, hey, you can use Google Sheets or Google whatever, Google Slides, and do it like that. But either way, but it created me a whole PowerPoint. Like I said, people are literally taking AI and turning it into digital or literal Department of Digital Employees because it does stuff for you. Like even down to the emails in your workplace, it's taking notes. When you're doing video chats, it could take notes. For instance, even with ticketing, right? Like I said, I'm a help desk technician, level 2. Even with ticketing, right? I mean, ticketing, whatever. Okay, so when we do our like going over our tickets or whatever, I'll just do my whole report, like to say what I went over and did for like a week. I'll just take my whole report, copy it, throw it in ChatGPT, Google Gemini, throw it in AI and be like, turn this into a list of activities I did, numerize it. If anything is the same type of tags, count that as, and it, you know what I'm saying? However I wanted to do it, it did it, and it did it for me. So things like that. While you're on a call with a user, the AI listens and or reads the ticket and automatically pulls up the exact steps to fix it. Now, I haven't used that in the workplace, but they say that's the thing, so I don't know. But like I said, you can use it to summarize stuff. I'm saying, like, let's just say you got a big email and you're like, I'm not about to read all of this. You would probably use read aloud, right? But now you don't even have to do that. You could just go ahead, copy that junk if you want to, and paste it in ChatGPT, Google Gemini summarizes. Or if you're already in Google Workspace, it should just summarize the email, period. And you wouldn't even have to tell it to do it. As well as emails as well. Let's get on grammar. When you're in the workplace, you don't want to like use too many crazy, I won't say crazy words, but you just want to keep your grammar on point. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be like, I'm trying to figure out something. What's something that I would Like, just period. Like, in my emails, I might say something like, I already tried this with this user, but I'm just going to try a different step, whatever. You can literally click the little pencil with like a little symbol by it, and it can polish it, and it can make it formal. It can just regular polish it, make it formal, make it witty, make it whatever you want to make it, and it'll rewrite whatever you have there. So I really love that, because I use that even with my tickets, not even just emails. I might want to write something. I'm like, that don't sound too like professional. Let me just copy it and then paste it in AI and take whatever it's saying. You know what I'm saying? And take the better version of it or whatever. But I'm telling you, man, like, AI is like that. I use it a lot. Like I said, I use it for my meetings. I use it to sum stuff up. Like, it's cool. Like, for real, for real. And really, like, that's about it. Like, you can have AI, you can prompt AI to do a lot of things. Like, I'm telling you, if you wanted to like write you a script for something, it can do that too. If you wanted to summarize a video for you, it will do that. Like, you just gotta really utilize it, and not look at it like an enemy or like it's gonna take your job, and learn how to use it, learn how to work it. What else they got on here? Like with Google Gemini, right? You can literally have it do stuff. It can brainstorm. It can, I don't know what a chess champ is, but I guess you can play chess, whatever. But it can brainstorm, which means find inspiration easily, fresh ideas for parties, gifts, businesses, and more. Granted, we're talking about the workplace, but just think you can you might want to figure out what to make something easier in the workplace. Brainstorm it. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I'm about to brainstorm now. It says find inspiration easily, affordable, and creative gifts. I'm going to put better office productivity for help desk workers. Let's see what's going on. Brainstorm. Boom. It says, I love this. Help desk work is the ultimate juggling act. Managing tickets, correct. Technical troubleshooting, correct. And difficult personalities all at once, correct. Okay. Boosting productivity here isn't just about doing more. It's about doing things smarter, so the team doesn't get burnt out. Yes, work smarter, not harder. My tech teacher used to say back when I was in school. Dang, that sounds like it was so long ago. 2017, 2018, shit like that. But yeah, so with that being said, it says to give you the most out of the box suggestions, I have a few quick questions. They don't even questions you. So what's the biggest bottleneck? What's the current vibe? And what tools are you already using? Stuff like that. And then it just like wants to know about stuff like that. But the point is, you can have it increase your productivity at work, even like you as yourself. You might want to, you might tell her, hey, I get to work at this time, but my lunch should be at this time, but I always overwork myself and miss my lunch. What do I do? Things like that. So I like ChatGPT and Google AI. All of this not taking your job. It's making your job easier. It's making your job almost better. You can even use it to get a job. You can have ChatGPT into your resume. Tell them make this more technical. Add this, add that. You can tell it to do anything, and it will do it, y'all. So that's the end of this video. Check out the Help Desk playlist.